Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I wanted to go over again the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade palette. So I'm sure that you're all well aware that the people that first ordered her palette, the Lemonade palette, received a new palette due to some of the shadows being overpressed on here, and I can tell you exactly which ones they are. They're definitely these pink shades. When I did my review, I couldn't even get a good swatch on the eye. They're absolutely horrible. The purple one is not bad, but anyways, go back to my initial review, and I was very disappointed in the palette because I have her latte palette, which is absolutely phenomenal. Okay, the matte shades worked fine. The yellow shade actually worked pretty good as well. It was only a couple, like the pinks for sure, the green just a little bit, but the pinks were like the worst. And so anyways, I did my review, and so did a lot of other people. Actually, I had comments under my review that some subscribers or fellow YouTubers had gotten it and their palette was fine. They don't know what was wrong with mine, but theirs was fine. And ironically, and I think it is so honorable, Dominique herself came out and said that they had overpressed a couple of the shadows and they would be shipping out new palettes to every customer that had ordered. I don't know up to what point, but I got mine in the mail today. It looks identical. New one on the left, old one on the right. I will be giving this one to my daughter. She can dig out the overpressed shadows or not use them, but I will be giving that to her. So I did use this on my eye look today, so I have kind of a first impression. Again, the mattes are fine. I have no problem with the mattes. Pinks are absolutely stunning. You can feel the difference. The other ones felt like wax paper. These are beautiful. The green shade, I use every shade in the palette. I have a green in the corner of my eye. Is beautiful. They're all beautiful. I love this deep purple, which is called Blueberry Fizz. Oh my gosh, it is such a unique color that I don't think I could compare it to anything in my collection because it's got a shimmer with like almost hints of black sparkle going through it. It was gorgeous. So what I have to say about the newly revised palette, would I recommend it? Yes. I still think the latte palette is better, but I do love the yellow. This I put over that right here. I use the orange going through. I use this in the corner of my eye. I use this purple or pinkish purple right here on my lid. That one right here. I use all of them. This is a great all over setting eyeshadow shade. I do recommend it, especially I'll tell you, for a actual YouTuber, she's not even a company, she's an indie brand, she's a YouTuber, to come out and admit their mistake and actually mail out everybody that had ordered a new one, and she didn't even ask for these back, which I don't know why she would. She's gonna throw them away, but that is like one of the most honorable things I have seen on YouTube. Most of the time it is backlash in a very bad manner when I come out and I say things about certain brands, especially when they are small indie brands. I get backlash, and I get questioned when I'm giving an honest and true opinion. This time it was proved absolutely right, and Dominique, I absolutely 100% back your brand, and I'm so grateful for this palette. I will get a lot of use. I think the colors in here are so unique. Like these shimmer shades are so different that I can't compare them to anything in my collection, and I do think it is worth it. I think 100% I will follow her brand, I will follow her name, and I will keep ordering from her. And I thank her so much for doing this. I love the palette. Again, the latte palette for me, it was just mind-blowing. This is so pretty for like spring and summer vibes, so I do recommend it, and I commend her. What a great fellow YouTuber slash brand for doing that. So I definitely say hop on the Dominique Cosmetics lemonade train, because it is a badass palette, you guys. I give it 2 thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Hop on over to Instagram, Susan Young 1974, or on Twitter, Susan Young 2174, and leave your comments below. Did you order the palette? Did you get a replacement? And how do you like it? I will see you soon. Bye.